Hi everyone, welcome to Bikini Design Club. On today's video we will explore the media contents for the snowflake. So today's video is for you to know at this moment what the media contents for the snowflake are. Not all of them are already available on our YouTube channel. They will be released from now till September 2023, but all of them in mid-September will be available, all of them. So let me go through the contents so that you know what to expect from the media contents for this pattern. So as I told you today, actually today it's the 2nd of July, but it's the same. You have the Meet Bikini and Bra Pattern Snowflake video. As always, you can learn more about the pattern and some pattern alterations that we made, etc. So get to know a little bit more before you buy. Then this video here exploring the content is exactly this one, the one that we are doing today. Then if you want to learn how to print the Underwire patterns, you have a specific video for that. Then you have this video, a word from the designer before you start, just to introduce you to the Underwire world if you are new. Then we have a video called The Basics Before You Start. Of course, this video it doesn't include all the basics. I mean, I don't go through all the types of fabrics and all types of elastics for the bra making and the options with lace and stretch satin and etc. And maybe in the future I will do a video showing you all the fabrics, but you will have access to all this information when you see the videos that we've made, the more than 30 videos. You will end up actually, if you watch the videos, to learn about the fabrics during those videos. But I promise that I will make a specific video on fabrics and elastics soon. Then you have a video on how to take your measurements and find your size for the Bikini Design Club patterns. And then we have 3 files in PDF, which you have actually to send me an email so that I can send these files to you. I mean, the bra making fabrics and its use, I actually made a small video also, so you can see where to use each type of fabric for each pattern piece, and that's also a video on our YouTube. It's already available. But the where to buy supplies, it's also a video and it's also available on our YouTube channel. But the Underwire's balconette style by Beware, which is the Sweden store that I recommend on these videos here. This actually is a PDF where I have scanned all the sizes for the underwires so that you can print and compare against the wires that you have at home. I think you can also ask this to the store if you send them an email, and if you send me an email, I will probably find some time to also send you the PDF if you want. So never mind this is not all of them in PDF, only this last one, the Underwire balconettes, are on a PDF file that I can send you later if you request. Moving on, I start with the adjustments and adds on to the pattern. So I have a video only explaining how to draw the foam cup patterns. Another one, what are sister sizes and how to use them. Another one on adjust the back bands on the snowflake so that you use the sister size methods and you can adjust and choose the back bands and combine it with the cups. It may be different, so you may need to consider having 2 sizes, one for the band and one for the front cups. So this is how to do that. Then you also have this one, which is adjust the back band to fit your clasp, your bikini clasp that you have at home. You have another one on how to adjust to the hook and eye, because you also may want to do this transformation. I have another one with add boning to your side seam, and this is the bikini version of the snowflake where I show you this. Then you have a new one, a new video with creating the cup for the pattern pieces for the cup made with foam. So I explain how to create the pattern pieces for the foam cups. And I show you this on a swimwear fabric and how to hide a loop for the strap on the foam cup and then add the swimwear fabric on the outer sides. Then we move to this one here, which is the bra and bikini pattern snowflake, but this is a bra sew-alongs. And this is divided in 4 parts. so you can watch the bra sew-alongs. This is one of the bras that I've made, and I separated this in 4 parts, so it's easier for you to watch the sew-alongs for the bra version. And I also made a complete video, all in one video, with a light blue bra that I've made with lace on top, which includes foam cups, because the one that you have before with the 4 parts video, it doesn't include foam. So I then made this one with lace and foam, so that you can also have that version if you need. I know it's a lot. Then moving along, you have the bikini sew-alongs. So the bikini, I made one version of the video, which I divided again in 4, and you can follow this one, which I filmed with no foam cups, but with straps. I used the straps for the winter top, and I included them on the snowflake, which is really great. But you can see the videos and you know that you can add any straps that you want. Then I made a new playlist, which is the Convert Bikini and Bra into a stretch top. This is not one of my favorites, but I'm showing you how you can do it. So you have the Meet the Pattern transformation, so you know what to expect. You have another video on how to draft the pattern transformation according to your own measurements. And then you have a video on how to sew it. So you will always have the same meet, draft, and then sew. Moving along, you have the same for a non-stretch top, and this is one of my favorites. And from the non-stretch top, you can also do it as a dress. So not only a top, but just extend by layers, and you can also do a dress. And you have the Meet the Pattern, so what to expect, how to draft, and I explain you exactly what is the ease and why since the fabric doesn't stretch, we had to alter the patterns with positive ease, and I added 5% positive ease and 8% in some spots, but you need to watch the video to know more. Then you have the sew along part 1 and part 2, because it's a long sew along. And then we move on to the draft your own swimsuit pattern, which is a great option if you want to sew this as a swimsuit. And I have, of course, a video explaining you how to draft your own snowflake swimsuit pattern with your own measurements. Of course, I have the sew along for that, so you can also follow it and sew it at home easily. And I still made another version of the snowflake, which I had a lot of fun with stitches, visible stitches, and also with straps coming from the center front bridge pattern piece, which I think looks really great, and I really love it. And that's it for today regarding all the media contents that we have available again now, today, in beginning July 2023. Of course, you have to explore the main playlist for the snowflake, because you will find that I will be adding on videos on the playlist as every time I do something new with this pattern. So I really invite you to subscribe to the channel so that you can keep up with all the new videos that I will release. And that's it for today, girls. Thank you. Bye bye.